Today we will learn Chinese characters.
我
Now please follow me to learn the pronunciation.
我我我我们我们我们是大学同学。我们是大学同学。我的我的我的中文有进步吗？我的中文有进步吗？自我他在不断完善自我。他在不断完善自我。
Now let's see how to write this character. This is a high-frequency first-person Chinese character. Its original meaning refers to an ancient weapon, and it was later borrowed to refer to oneself. In traditional Chinese concepts, people should control their selfishness and desires. One should not be overly self-centered, prioritize the overall situation, treat others with gentleness and modesty, and live in harmony with others. This character is used very often, so you must learn it well. This stroke is continuous. This stroke should be written quickly. The key is to nail this stroke, make it long, and speed up at the end. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.